Go back to the very first part of the first brown belt one. 1, 2. Okay? This is where the skill in it is, because you're going to punch in once. As soon as that starts and hit the pad, he retreats, and then you're going to send the right round kick in straight after it. So the skill is the punch kick. Okay? Pad holder, you've got to get there, and kick it, you've got to start the kick very early. So it goes 1, punch kick, 1 punch, it starts, boom, land, heavy left, step, heavy right, stay, boom, straight up, right, with the knee. Jab, cover like earlier. This is the skill in it, the punch and the kick, for the kicker and the pad holder. Okay? Land, 1, he then moves because of the space, I chase him, boom, 2, he stays there this time, 3. Okay? Got it? Last bit. Land, 1, 2, 3. And you'll get it smoother than I can. Buttons. 1, see? Boom, boom. You're on your way for a class of this skill rather than this. Yeah? Already in. Boom. Then he moves. Boom. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Grab if you wish. Go.